Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add post grid into your Elementor page. You can see I have added this post grid into my page with its featured image, title, a short text and a read more button. When you click on the read more button, it will take you to the post. To add it into your Elementor page, first you have to log into your dashboard. So let's go to your dashboard. Now after logging into your dashboard, first of all I will install a new plugin. So to install a plugin, I will go to plugins and click on add new. Here in search bar, search unlimited elements. Here at the top, you can see the unlimited elements for Elementor add-on plugin. It has 100,000 plus active installations. So as soon as you will activate this plugin, it will take you to its settings page where you have to install their widgets, and then these widgets will work in the Elementor editor. So let's go to its settings page. You will get this preview when you install this plugin. So in search bar, search for post blocks. Here is the widget which is going to help us to adding a post grid into Elementor page. You will get an install now button here. I already installed it, so now I will show you how to add it into your Elementor page. So let's go to Elementor editor. Now here is the page where I am going to add post grid. So I will click on this plus button and add a new section. Now I will click on this plus button and search for post blocks. Here you can see the post block widget, and it also has the sign of unlimited elements. So drag this widget into your section. Here you have the post list image size. You can change the size of featured image, but I will use this medium large, maximum width 768. Now here is the number of items per row. You can select as much as rows you want, but 3 is perfect for this style. You can align the text to left, right or inherit, but I will select center. You can also change this intro text characters. I will make it 75 words. Now I will go to layout. In the layout you can enable image, category, title, text button, and also you have meta options. First of all I will show category here. Now you can see the category appears over heading, but I will disable it. Also I will enable metadata before title. Now here you have different options, show date and show author. I will enable both. Here you can change the icon for the date and icon for the author. Here you can see I have this date and author. For now I will disable the author and make it after the title. Now go to post query. Here is the post source. You can select pages here, landing page, and also if your website is WooCommerce built, so you can add your WooCommerce products there. Here you can show the maximum post per page. I will make it 6, and here is the order. You can order it by date, title or slug by, but I will leave it to the default. You can also enable pagination if you have multiple posts onto your website and you want to create a full blog page using this grid block. Now I will go to style. First of all, I will style this entire box. So I will add a radius of 25. For the border, I will give it the width of 1 pixel. Here is the border box border color, but I will leave it to default. Box background color, I will make it this one. I will make it little bit transparent like this. Now you can also add box background image here. Here is the content. You can change the content padding. Let me show you how it works. I will first unlink it and give it the bottom padding of 0. Now you can see the buttons was close to the bottom. Now I will also remove it from the left and right side. Next I will go to image. In the image You can change the height of the image like this. I will make it 400. If you don't want to crop this image, you can also select contain, but it will not looks perfect there. Image position, you can change the image position from there. Now I will go to category. I have disabled the category, so it will not work for me. So I will leave it. Just go to title. Here you can change the title and title hover color. For the hover, I will make it red. So when you hover over it, the title color was changed. Here is the title typography. First of all, I will change the font family to Poppins. Now I will change size to 20 pixels and I will give it weight of 600. Now you can also change the title spacing like that, but I will leave it to default. Go to metadata. Here I will change the metadata color to dark black and its typography I will add Poppins and change its size to 12 pixels. Now leave the other settings, just go to text. Here first of all I will change the text color to dark black and I will make its font to Alata. I will change size to 15 pixels. Now it will appear like that. Now I will go to button. Here is a interesting setting about button style is inline. I will make it full width. So you can see it covers our entire box. You can also choose hover effect. I will make it grow. So when you hover over it, the button will hover a little bit. You can also change the button type and also you can change the button text color on hover and button background color. I will make it little bit transparent when somebody hovers over it. Now I am done with that, so I will update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this I button to preview the changes. Scroll down to the end of the page. Here you can see you have added this post grid into your Elementor page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and also share with others. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notifications about future updates. Thanks for watching.